In this beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you're going to learn a combination designed to go to the song Count on Me, performed by Bruno Mars. I think you're going to have a good time with that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Let's jump right in, shall we? Starting with the right foot, you're going to have flap, heel, stamp, stamp, step, step. We'll take that again. 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to speed that up a little bit. 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you're finding that just a little bit easy, you can spice it up this way. On the last part, you can do stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step. I'll show that again. 5, 6, a 7, a 8. I'm going to do it the normal, easier way, but you have that option now if you want to make it a little more challenging. From there, 2 more flap heels. Flap, heel, followed by dig, step, step, and step. I'll show you that new part again from the repeat of the flap heels. Flap, heel, dig, step, step, step. Beautiful, my friends. Let's put it together from the top. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, stamp, stamp, step, step, flap, heel, and dig, step, step, step. Let's roll that again with some counts. 6, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, your right foot's free. We're going to do Irish, right foot, and step. I'll show that again. 6, 7, 8. Irish, right foot, and step, followed by a back essence, which is spank, back, step, apart. Again, that back essence, spank, back, and step, apart. Let's connect it from that Irish. Starting on the right foot, a 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you don't get to pause between the Irish and the back essence. Be ready to go right through to it. Same spot from that Irish. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take that pattern and do it starting on the left foot. 6, 7, 8. Left foot, Irish and step, spank, back, step, apart. Well, yes, we'll do that left side again. 6, ready, go. Left foot, Irish, step, spank, back, and step, apart. All right, it's time to connect the right side Irishes with the left side Irishes. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I certainly will roll that again. Same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that whole section comes right after you do the dig, step, 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 then Irish, right foot, step. Let's practice that transition going from the dig, step, 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 just into that first Irish. 6, ready, go. Dig, step, 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 Irish, right foot, step. Same transition. 5, 6, ready, go. Dig, step, 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 Irish, right foot, step. Now that we've got that transition down a little better, let's go top and connect everything you know so far. We're starting with those flap heels. 5, 6, 7, and flap, heel, stamp, stamp, step, step, flap, heel, dig, step, 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 Irish, right foot, step, spank, back, and step apart. Irish, left foot, step, spank, back, and step apart. Beautiful. We're going to roll that all again. I'll put the counts on it. It'll be great. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's finish it out. Last part we're going to do toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step. I'll do that again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Followed by dig, dig, step, step, dig, 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 step, step, stamp, stamp. Again, that new pattern was dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, stamp, stamp. This time I'll put some counts on it. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. Let's connect that now from toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, stamp, stamp. We're going to connect those two pieces together, starting from toe, toe. Here we go. Toto, where are you? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, stamp, stamp. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. From there, repeat the toes. Toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step. And to finish it out, step, shuffle, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. Again, that last part. Step, shuffle, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. Let's go from the second time we do the toes into those step shuffles. Ready, go. Toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, 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 shuffle, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. Super, let's do that one more time with counts. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And you made it to the end, congratulations. Let's rewind and go back to the first time you do the toe, toe, step, step. That's the one with the dig, dig, step, steps after it. All right? First time on the toe, toe. 6, 5, 6, 7, and toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, stamp, stamp, toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, 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 shuffle, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. Yes! One more time, same place, and putting the counts on. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Now I want to practice transitioning from the Irish, and step back, essence. Irish, left foot, step back, essence, into toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, step. So we can connect those pieces. So let's go from the first Irish, right foot leads. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do that again. We're just practicing going from the Irish back essence section into the toe-toe. Same spot, right foot leads. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know how those pieces connect. We're going to take it top all the way through. You can do this. Here we go. Beginning, starting with the flap heel, right foot. 6, 5, 6, 7, and flap. Heel, stamp, stamp, step, step, flap, heel, dig, step, step, step. Irish, right foot, step, back, essence. Irish, left foot, step, back, essence. Toe, toe, step, step. Toe, toe, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, dig, dig, step, step, stamp, stamp. Toe, toe, step, step, toe, toe, step, 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 shuffle, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. Well, alrighty, we're gonna do that one more time. Counts all the way through. After that, we'll put on some music. Here we go, from the top. 6, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3. Super! Again, we're going to be doing this to the song Count on Me, performed by Bruno Mars, and we're going to be starting at 1:10 into the song. Let's check tempo, see if we're going to keep real tempo. I think we'll slow it down a little bit for the first couple rounds, and then we'll go up to real speed. So I'm going to drop it by about 6% under tempo. Here we go. Good luck. 5, 6, ready, go. We'll roll that again. We're going to keep the same tempo, 6% under. Hopefully it went well. If not, no worries. You got a second chance right now. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Super. All right, for my overachievers, now we're going to go to real speed. It's going to be a little faster. Not crazy, but enough you'll feel it. You'll notice. Here we go. You can do it. You're going to be great. 5, 6, ready, go. That again. Usually that first time when you speed up, it's a little rough, frankly, because you're trying to adjust to the different speed. But the second time will get a little easier, and the third time even easier still, and hopefully it'll be going smooth for you. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. You don't have to. I'm just doing arms because that's just what I do. You don't have to follow my arms. Like I said, it just happens. All right, let's roll that one more time. This will be your best yet. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it one more time facing you so you can see what it looks like from the front. You're not expected to do it with me because I'll be going this way when you're going that way. All right. Well, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time with that combination. If you did enjoy yourself, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And just take a quick moment and drop a brief comment down below. I always appreciate that. I'll give you a second to do that right now. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Wonderful. At UnitedTaps.com, we have a ton more content. We have a full beginner lesson series, so if you struggled with any of that combination, this will give you the basic skills so you can do combinations like these easily and really enjoy yourself. This is a great lesson set. We also have a tap dictionary and across the floor exercises and practice exercises and combinations, workouts, music, just a ton of stuff to keep you tap dancing and having lots of fun. I hope you'll check that out. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.